This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Volkswagen Passat CC door handle. Lower the window, disconnect the battery, and remove the inner door trim carefully using a pry tool. Keep screws and clips organized in separate containers so nothing gets lost. Take photos during disassembly to aid reassembly later. Move slowly around wiring and actuators to avoid damage and ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace for each step. Start by removing visible trim bolts and prying the inner panel away with a trim tool. Unplug any electrical connectors and detach the inner door handle linkage. With the panel loose, locate the handle mounting screws and hold the handle steady as you remove them. Slide the handle outward gently, watching for retained clips and the lock rod. Keep parts organized and note screw locations for correct reinstallation later. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more DIY car guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up effortless after a messy repair. It saves time so you can focus on the car, not the crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After the handle is removed, access the latch and actuator from inside the door cavity. Inspect cables, rods, and plastic clips for cracks or stretching and replace worn parts. Reattach the lock rod and connectors, testing the latch operation manually before closing the panel. Lubricate moving parts lightly and ensure the handle operates the latch smoothly. Reassemble the trim and test the door function from both inside and outside once complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.